Intermittent fasting has gained significant attention as a flexible approach to dieting that emphasizes when to eat rather than strictly what to eat. While it's a popular method for weight management, it's important to recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Different variations of intermittent fasting exist, with one of the most recognized being the 16-8 method. This video will explore how this eating pattern works and whether it might be right for you. Understanding intermittent fasting. At its core, intermittent fasting is about establishing a routine for eating and fasting rather than altering the foods you consume or meticulously counting calories. The basic principle involves fasting for a designated period each day or week, leading to a natural reduction in calorie intake due to the limited eating window. For instance, some individuals may choose to stop eating by 6 p.m. and not consume food until late morning the next day. If you're considering intermittent fasting, there are 4 popular methods to choose from: the 16.8 method, the 5-2 plan, alternate day fasting, and time-restricted eating. The 16.8 method explained. The 16.8 intermittent fasting method revolves around fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming food within an 8-hour window. During this eating period, there are no strict dietary limitations unless you have specific restrictions. However, focusing on nutritious whole food options can enhance the effectiveness of this method for weight loss. While following the 16-8 plan, individuals usually consume only water during their fasting hours, although some opt for zero-calorie beverages. It's worth noting that this approach can help cultivate a healthier relationship with food by promoting mindful eating rather than feelings of deprivation. Is weight loss possible with 16-8 fasting? The evidence surrounding the effectiveness of the 16.8 method for weight loss is mixed. Some studies indicate that participants following this regimen experience significant weight loss and reduced blood pressure without feeling deprived. For example, research has shown that those adhering to a limited eating window often consume fewer calories overall simply because of the time constraints imposed by the fasting schedule. However, other studies suggest that calorie consumption remains a critical factor for weight management. Research presented at various conferences indicated that meal timing alone does not consistently lead to weight loss. Rather, the total caloric intake is more significant. Getting started with 16-8 intermittent fasting. If you're interested in trying the 16.8 intermittent fasting method, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose your eating window. Pick a time frame that aligns with your lifestyle. Many find success eating between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., but it's essential to select a time frame that suits your daily routine. Exercise before eating. Engaging in physical activity before your eating window can help manage hunger effectively. Prioritize sleep. Adequate rest is crucial. Sleeping for a significant portion of your fasting window makes it easier to adhere to the plan. Stay hydrated. Drinking water or herbal teas can help reduce feelings of hunger during fasting periods. Mindfulness matters. Practicing mindfulness techniques can help manage cravings and maintain focus during fasting. Health benefits beyond weight loss. Intermittent fasting may offer various health benefits beyond weight management. Studies suggest that it may help protect heart health by reducing inflammation, improve metabolic flexibility, and enhance overall well-being. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been associated with potential health improvements for conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and even cardiovascular diseases. Considerations for specific populations. Before starting any new dietary regimen, especially intermittent fasting, it's crucial for individuals with specific health conditions, such as diabetes, to consult healthcare professionals. While some studies indicate benefits for those managing type 2 diabetes, caution is advised for individuals with type 1 diabetes due to potential risks of low blood sugar levels during fasting periods. Alternative approaches to intermittent fasting. If the 16-8 method doesn't resonate with you, consider exploring other intermittent fasting strategies like the 5.2 method or alternate day fasting. Each offers unique structures and flexibility depending on your lifestyle and goals. Intermittent fasting presents an intriguing approach to dieting that focuses on timing rather than strict dietary rules. While many people find success with methods like the 16-8 plan, it's essential to listen to your body and adapt your approach as needed. By understanding the principles behind intermittent fasting and considering your personal preferences and health needs, you can effectively navigate your journey toward improved wellness.